Hi friends, if you are looking for a great WordPress website theme for car dealers, rental and classified WordPress theme, this video is exactly for you. In this video I have Motors. Motors is a great theme for car rental and car dealers websites, and Motors for WordPress help you to create a feature packed car dealer, automotive and boat selling business website, and it comes with 17 plus stunning pre-made demos ready to fuel your success. Motors is a very wonderful website WordPress theme, of course, and I am happy to record this video as it is going to be third video in this category, and all theme has been selected very carefully on this channel, as I always say, and this is going to be a very good catch for your car dealer or car rental website, whatever you want. And as it comes with multiple pre-made website as well, so I am sure any one of these is surely going to match your requirements, and all the pre-made websites has been made very carefully and aesthetically. So I'll show you some of the demo website. This is one of the demo website using Motors WordPress theme, and it has all the features which you require for a car rental. This is for car rental and it is really very good. It is, I have seen that it has all the features in it, and this is another. So it is car classified WordPress theme in fact, and it has all the listing of cars for online sale and all such activities. So it is really good theme, of course, and in this video we are going to install Motors WordPress theme, and we will also import one of the demo content, preview theme options and customizations option as well. And you have a reason to watch this video until end, as you never know the theme which you are going to select having what features, and finally what you can do with that particular theme. So in this case we have Motors, and Motors WordPress theme has been developed by Style Mix Themes, and they are Power Elite authors, and they really make wonderful themes. This theme was made in 2015, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have multiple folders in which various elements has been given. This is design, documentation, licensing, Motors bundle plugin. Oh really, it is a great list of plugin in fact. So multiple plugins has been given in the theme pack. This is the main theme file, child theme file, and STM import mix model, STM import add-on. So these are the elements which I got in the theme pack. This is version 5.0.1. Let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose motors.zip. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time and I will be able to show you the theme file size in fact. So motors.zip is to be selected, and the theme file size is bit high. On an average I have seen the well optimized theme size remains between 15 to 20 MB, but in this case it is 43.61 MB. It is high, but it is working fine on the website. Speed is very good. I have seen. I can show you again. So I am just clicking on one element and it is working fast. So speed is only matter if it is working fine. It does not matter how big is the theme file size. And finally we have to work on our website, and that should work very fine, and it is really a professional WordPress theme, no doubt in it, and you are going to make a wonderful website using this theme, and it is a very good catch for your motor dealers or motor related activities website. And now it is being uploaded and it may take 1 or 2 minutes, I believe. Okay, so it is loading fast now. Okay, once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. Okay, sorry. And the extraction outcome is this motors folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. We have already extracted this, and we are fine to go in the theme section of WordPress again. And now we have motors as another theme option. We can check the details. This is motors version 5.0.1, automotive, cars, vehicle, boat dealership, classified WordPress theme by Style Mix Themes. We can activate it now. And okay, so it comes with a mobile app. I mean, it also comes with a mobile app. If you need, you can get it separately. I am adding the link of my website where you can get this theme, and definitely you can get directly in touch with me. And these are the list of demos available for the website, and of course we have to install the plugins first before importing any demo. Let us see what happens. So I am simply clicking the first one, who we are. Okay, accept, and demo installation. And these are the list of plugins, in fact. So this is what I was looking for. We need to we first need to install the list of plugins before any demo, and these are the demos available. Since we have already installed the theme, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme only. And this is the basic look being loaded on the screen of Motors WordPress theme, and it is loading now. Okay, it is not going through. In fact, it needs some demo content. And now we have to select the desired demo website, and you can select any as available on this screen. There are many options available. You can choose car magazine, car repair, auto parts, classified listing, and there are variation in classified listing as well. Motorcycle dealers, rent a car service, it is also important. Boat dealership, car dealership, and there are multiple car dealership options as well. Equipment, and this is another rent a car, and aircrafts, and listing 5. So I am going to select the very first one. This is the car dealership one, and clicking on import. So these are the list of plugins required for running this theme, and we are of course going to install all these plugins for using this theme. And I am simply clicking on setup layout. Let us see what happens. Yes, plugins are being installed. Once I click the setup layout, and the screen is showing everything installed and activated. Okay, so it got redirected, and it is now third one. So it is auto redirecting, so we have nothing to do at this stage. Just wait and watch until all the installation of plugins gets complete, and it is being activated as well. So no need to make any hurry, everything is going on fine. And breadcrumb nav xt has been installed, contact form 7, Instagram feed, MailChimp for WordPress. And WooCommerce, HTML Motors, Mega Menu, demo content, importing demo. And it is amazing that it is saying demo content is also imported. So now we can take a look of our website if it is really imported. And yes, it is really here, and we got a wonderful website in just few minutes. And so images of cars has not been provided, however the slider images had been provided, but we don't need image. Ultimately we are going to use our own image, so everything is fine in this website, I assume. So listing is here, and okay, this is wonderful, and we got all the features in fact, and this is being the complete website, and this just few activities. So we have done it, yes, really. So this is compare options. Let us see what is here, and compare option is also here. Body mileage field type, okay, that is good. And let us see what features has been given. So okay, so I am just comparing. Okay, good. And craft is here, search and all such things, inventory, standard inventory. Let us see. And these are listing. Basically I have imported the listing website demos, so this is why it is having all the related pages. And now website is complete. So now it's time to show you the theme options, what we got in the WordPress installation after installing the Motors WordPress theme, and after that I'll show you the customization options as well. So we have okay, so there are some alerts which is not required actually at this stage. We can handle those afterwards. And this is the Motors option, and rest things are common as in WordPress. So this is the theme option, so I will show you both. Let us first click on the Motors. And okay, so this is the same screen which we are already used: install demos, support, theme options. And remember, system status is an important tab which we just skipped because I was sure my server is good. And like this is showing the PHP memory limit is 40 MB, and it should all should be green. So however it is showing in yellow, but do remember you should clear all these limitations just in case if you are having on your hosting site, so that the demo or the installation process remains smooth and website remains intact. So okay, so I have already increased the PHP memory limit, but I don't know why it is showing up. So let me check. And I have opened the wp-config file. just to increase the PHP memory limit. So let me add one line for increasing the memory limit. You have to add this line here. That's all. Stop editing and happy publishing. I am adding this line. Okay, so I have put the PHP memory limit as 5 to 256. In fact, I can put 512 and save changes. And now we can check the limitation. Okay, so it was saying it is less, so I'm just refreshing this page now. It should work, I believe. Yes, it is here. So it is wonderful now, and nothing is obstacle now, and we have already got the wonderful website, of course. So this is the final website as we seen. Okay, so let us check the theme options now, and theme options is also can be reached from here. Theme options. So theme options is here on the screen. It is loading up, and yes, I'll show you what options we have. This is general tab, and theme scheme can be selected from here. The default screen and other colors are here. Site background color and rest of settings are here. Google Maps API, public key, reCAPTCHA, top bar can be set from here. Main address, working hours, phone numbers, menu. Okay, so it is broadly classified, in fact. So header part can be handled from here. Main header, sticky, logo and title. Logo can be used here. Menu, buttons and actions, socials, blog page, inventory setting, main inventory, price, filter by location, grid card. Single listing can be customized from this screen. And this is main calculator. Shop option is here. Typography, socials, footers, custom CSS, custom JSS and all. So we have all the controls for handling our website, and nothing additional is here. And now I'll show you how to edit the page content, just in case if you want to know. And I believe you are already a subscriber of this channel, because I'm going to bring wonderful themes for you and even utilities and plugins. So just open the page for which you want to edit the content, and this theme uses WP Bakery Page Builder. So just click on the edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. You will be able to edit the page contents, and I'll advise you to use the backend editor, as I feel front end editor loads a bit slow. And also you can take a backup of page, at least for home page, if you are going to edit it, and so that just in case you made any mistake, you can restore the page. And here is the editing options. You have to click on the pencil icon for editing the content and the grids and blocks. So it is simple. You don't need much technical skill in doing so, but yes, you have to be careful and just use the content or text length same as given in the demo content to maintain the integrity of website. I'll show you the backend editor as well. And this is the backend editor. It is from this screen you can add or remove the sections as well. So it is good for you to use backend editor, and it is simple. You have to click on pencil icon, and rest of settings can be done from there. and it is fine. So in this video we have completed the installation of Motors WordPress theme, and stay tuned with me. In another video I am coming with important plugins, in fact, so it can be very much useful for you. Thank you for watching.